Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Yummy Arts Kitchen with Tami Utley. Yay!
Hi everybody. So nice to have everyone here today. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are going to do a gingerbread cookie sleigh to get ready for the holidays. So you have plenty of time and no excuses. Now, here is this is just a rough mock-up of what I'm going to do.
How cute!
Yeah, it's okay.
Awesome. It's awesome.
It's okay. The one I'm actually doing is just slightly cuter because I did a better job on it. This was like a rough mock-up. So anyways, this is what we're doing. I would have done reindeer, but all my cutters were like, this big and the sleigh was like this big. So it didn't look proportional. So if you happen to find reindeer cutters that work for
Awesome.
this, pretty cool. You can add them to it and a lot of scenery to go with it. But we're just going to go over the sleigh and how simple it is. And we're going to show you how to do some of the decorating techniques on it, put it together, the whole schmear.
The whole schmear.
The whole
not
schmear.
Like a partial schmear.
No,
the
it's the whole schmear.
Let's do it.
Okay. Right. So
Christmas and Hanukkah schmear. Nice. Thanks, Scott.
So what I've got is my cookie dough. I did this, obviously I did this way in advance. I actually made this sleigh back in October, I think the beginning of October. I was playing around with some gingerbread cookie dough. So I wrapped it up and froze it. So hopefully the dough works really well and I don't have to remake a whole batch.
Nice.
The recipe I used for this is Julia Usher's Out Gingerbread Recipe. It's on the internet under her name. I happen to have her book. I can hopefully going to get it autographed soon. But
You don't have it with you, do you?
yeah, I do.
Can we take a look at that book?
You can.
We would love to see it and then also know how to spell her name if we're going to look it up on
Oh
the
yeah, that would be
interwebs.
good. It's on her site. So it's the Out Gingerbread Recipe. And I think she has this in both her books. U-S-H-E-R, Usher.
Julia M. Ushers. Okay, now we
Yeah.
can look it up.
So Julia Usher, and then it's this one. It's the Out Recipe.
Excellent.
Okay, and like I said, it's on her site.
Cool.
And it worked, obviously, really well. And it makes a ton of dough. I mean, I've made 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to be making one more, 4 out of one batch. So,
I would like to make a ton of dough.
yeah, me too. Woohoo.
We all like to make a ton of dough.
Okay. So that's the dough I'm using. Then I'm also using, this is one of the latest products by Simi Cakes. And they have made a whole bunch of what they call sculpture mats. They're all different kinds. And the one I'm most excited about is a carriage. They have a carousel. Can you imagine using one of those mats to make a Christmas carousel? Oh my gosh, it would be fabulous. And then they also have a carriage, like a Cinderella carriage.
Wow.
Another thing I would love to do. You can use her mats. She designed her mats for use with gelatin and isomalt and chocolate. Well, guess what? You can use them with cookies.
Cool.
So yeah, so she was kind enough to send me one of her mats, and I played with it in October and used cookie dough with it because these mats can go up to 395 degrees. Well, my cookies only bake at 375.
Nice.
So I'm going to show you how to use these mats. So this is nice. It makes all the parts of the cookie and keeps it from spreading and doing nasty things while it bakes. I'm actually going to bake it in the mat.
Wow.
So, so we're going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to decorate it with royal icing.
Cool.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Do the cookie dough per Julia's, I guess I should say Miss Usher's. I don't really know her personally. Per her directions. Okay. I don't believe it needs to be chilled. I don't remember because it was over a month since I made it. So right now it's room temperature. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out.
It smells good.
Oh yeah, that's the nice thing. It smells wonderful.
Yes, it does.
So I'm just going to knead it up a little bit because it's been sitting for a little bit. And I know the gluten, it's probably not good with all the gluten.